Fight!
The Crown Signia is a new offering, and it fits into the Toyota lineup in a similar position as the Venza that it replaces. It's larger than the compact RAV4, but smaller than the Toyota Highlander, and its starting price is more expensive than both. The Toyota Venza was first a dowdy half-wagon, half-crossover. Then, it was reborn as a hybrid-only SUV known in other markets as the Harrier, which is objectively a cooler name. Now, it will exist only in the hushed whispers of days gone by, as a new midsize hybrid monarch rises to take the crown. All Crown Signias comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine that produces 240 horsepower, 288 pound-feet of torque, and attached to an electronically controlled CVT transmission, leading to an MPG rating of 39 city and 37 highway. All-wheel drive is also standard on all Crown Signias and starts at $43,590 for the LE to $47,990 for the Limited. The Venza is equipped with a similar engine and transmission, but this time, it only produces 219 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque. The Venza also comes standard with all-wheel drive and has an MPG rating of 40 city and 37 highway. The starting price of the Venza is $35,070 for the XLE to $43,215 for the Limited. Despite not being a sporty car, the Crown Signia has a responsive steering that enables you to easily control the movement of the car. Being a premium car, the Crown Signia comes with a nice 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and infotainment as standard. As a matter of fact, it comes with more standard premium features, like ventilated and heated seats, than the Venza. However, as a result, the Crown Signia is more expensive than the Venza despite having less headroom than the Venza. The Crown Signia may have a more powerful engine than the Venza, but this too is not enough as it still has a weak performance. Although the Venza is cheaper, it still tries to be luxurious with a quiet and comfortable interior filled with soft touch material. It also has an optional feature that the Crown Signia and other Toyota models doesn't have, and that is the Stargaze fixed panoramic roof. Since the Venza is cheaper, Toyota had to cut costs somehow, and that is why the Venza is not available with leather upholstery and has a smaller overall cabin than the Crown Signia with less legroom and cargo area. Overall, the car also comes with less standard features. In summary, the Crown Signia is better overall than the Venza that it will be replacing. It has better performance, interior, premium features as well as more standard features. However, it will also cost more because of all of the improvements that have been done. The Venza may not have leather upholstery and be as roomy as the Crown Signia, but if you go for the Nighshade or Limited, it is a great way to enjoy a luxurious feeling car, but for less money. That is as long as you're fine with missing a few premium tech features. Which one would you drive? I would definitely get the Crown Signia. I was never a fan of the look of the Venza, and the base Crown Signia is not that much more than the Venza Limited, but it comes with all the premium tech features I will ever need.